Do you have images with private data like invoices, IDs, or official documents and you don't want to upload them to online OCR websites? Then this project is perfect for you. We will turn any photo into editable text. Python read the images and type it for you in seconds. Today on Naga Automates, I will show you how to build a private OCR tool. We need two things, the Pytesseract library and the Tesseract software installed on your PC. Link in the description. Just go to this link, download it and install. Install required libraries. Let's start coding. We use the fellow library to open the images and Pytesseract to read it. If you are on Mac or Linux, you can skip this line. Make sure you have an image in the same folder. Change language to your desired language. You can also use your desired language plus English if the image has both languages. We can also save this text into a output.txt file. Save it. I have this invoice photo. Let's run the script. Look at the terminal. It extracted every word perfectly. I also added a line to save this directly into a notepad file. Now we can copy this text and we can use it anywhere we want. Like you can send this text to Google Sheets, save it in Excel, or push it into a database or API. Now we can see how to set up any other language. There is a link in the description. Go to that link and download your desired language. I will go with Telugu language. Copy that one and paste here. Change language here. Add encoding line here. Change image name. Let's run the script. Look at the terminal. Text extracted. Terminal not supported Telugu fonts. That's why we can check in tel output.txt. Look at the fonts. Even one letter is not missing. If you want advanced OCR web app, the Git repo link in description. You can download it. This is how companies digitize old records. Now you can do it too. Subscribe for more automation tools. Work smart, automate everything.